Welcome, fam. You ever wake up feeling disconnected from your body? Like your strength is still asleep and your shoulders are slouched before you've even stood up? Let's change that. Let's hit the mat. Start in a tabletop position, extend your right arm forward and left leg back. Reach long, stay stable. You're not just holding a pose, you're reawakening your balance, resetting the brain to core connection. I promise this move fires up your deep stabilizers, the kind of strength that holds you up before the chaos hits. Beginners, tap the floor with your fingers and toes to regain balance. Advanced stretches, hover and pulse small, slow movements. This might feel subtle, but it's doing deep stabilizing work. Hold 5 more seconds, keep the spine long. That just lit up your core. Now let's anchor the other side. Left arm forward, right leg back. Imagine someone pulling both ends of you in opposite directions. Feel that wobble? That's your body waking up to find control. I promise, if you hold this with intention, you'll walk into your day with better posture, stronger steps, and a centered core. Beginners, reset as needed. Advanced stretches, close your eyes and test your balance. Here's a little surprising fact. Bird dog is one of the most prescribed moves for back pain. Why? Because it works. Can you lock in 5 more seconds with 0 movement? That just activated your spine. Now let's open your chest. Come to kneeling. Interlace your hands behind your back. Lift your chest and gently pull your hands down and away. This one is subtle but powerful. You've been hunched over screens, driving, texting. This is a reversal. I promise, just 60 seconds here can realign your posture and open your breath. Beginners, keep the arms low and the chin neutral. Advanced stretches, lift the arms higher and press your hips forward. Feel tight in the front of your shoulders. Let this be the moment you drop that armor. 5 more seconds. Can you lift your heart just a little more? That just opened your chest. Now let's stretch it out from the spine. Lower down to all fours or walk your hands forward. Keep your hips above your knees and melt your chest to the floor. This is where your spine gets its morning exhale. I promise, puppy stretch will unlock your upper back, stretch the lats and release head and tension in your shoulders. Beginners, stay lifted on your forearms. Advanced stretches, bring your chin or chest to the ground. Struggling to relax into it? That's the point. Lean into the release. Here's a little challenge. Can you slow your breath down to just 4 deep cycles while holding this? That just melted tension out of your upper spine. Now we finish with rotation. Come into a deep squat. Feet slightly wider than hips, heels grounded if possible. Now plant your left hand and reach the right arm to the sky. Switch sides after each breath. This is your full body finale. Lower body grounded, upper body expanding. I promise this move unlocks your hips, improves shoulder mobility, and brings harmony between left and right. Beginners, sit on a block or lean against a wall. Advanced stretches, hold each twist longer and reach higher. Let's play a little game. How many controlled rotation can you do in 60 seconds? With steady breath and full intention, do you feel more open than when we started? You just activated your entire chain, and now we close it out right. Tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, and drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. All delivered daily to your email inbox, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, a deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.